switch. So what this is like a little light switch. Well, yeah. So I've got like a smart plug, so let me go get the box and show you. It's a it's a wireless remote control outlet / plug. So this is the outlet / plug. That's the switch. Now when you press up, that turns it on. It'll turn the plug on. It'll turn whatever's plugged into it on. When you press down, it'll turn it off, and whatever's plugged into it, it'll turn it off. I will show you what I've got it plugged into at the end of the video. So, you might be wondering, it's a little bit too far out than it's supposed. Get it? It's a little bit too far out than it's supposed to be. That is because we've got like stickers and it's like a bit long. So the stickers are onto it. That makes it like a little bit further out. So it would say off and on. On my view, it will say it in white, off at the bottom and on at the top. But you can't see it, and neither can people see it in the dark or when they're too far away. They can't see the button, including when it's dark. So what I've done 30 minutes ago, I think. I printed press down equals off, press up equals on. So when I press down, it turns it off right now. And then when I press up, it just turns it back on. So simple. So it's got this remote control outlets. I mean the control panel. It has like a little bracket because it's powered by batteries. Don't forget to take that box out for the plug as well. So it's like got a little bracket. So it's got a bracket. So because it's powered by batteries and you've got to get to it. So what you do? So when it's on like this, you put your hands at the bottom like this. So like your thumb and then your three fingers. I mean your thumb and then 1, 2, 3 of your fingers and your pinky. So you're gonna have it at the bottom like that. What you then have to do is got to lift. So you've got to manually lift up, and then lift up, and then pull it, and then it comes off. So like that. This is what the bracket looks like. It's made of the same material. It's like plastic, like this is. but it makes different noises. So this bracket makes this noise. But this remote control. But this remote control for the outlet, it makes this noise. So yeah, it is quite different. So this is what it looks like, the outlet. So I press down, basically turns it off. I think you can hear the click. Listen. Let me know if you can hear the click. So it literally says on right here and off, but it's all in white, so people can't really see it. So that's why I've done that. Right there. So this is the front. So you like your little things on you. Right. Then at the back, it's got like a little hook. This hook, which basically goes onto that bracket over there on the wall. So then you've got your tag, and then you've got this little cover thing. Right. This is where the battery goes. So you push down. So you push down, and this comes off. This. Just put that there, and then you can see the battery. So it takes this battery right here. So it takes that battery. Yeah. So you gotta have. So you need to have this battery for it to work. It already came with one in. It just had like a little tag on it, which was hard to pull off. So then, to put it on, you just put it back there. You just put it back there, and then you push up. If I can. So you push up. Come on. So you basically push up. Oh, yeah, I did it wrong way. So you push up. It's back on. So what happens if the battery dies? Won't work. That's what happens when the battery dies. So, you're wondering how you put it back on. So, come here. So, you've got these three hooks, and there's three. So they all look like rainbows, but they're all white. You basically, you don't do that. You don't do that because that doesn't do anything. What you do, you put it where the bracket is. It's like all the rainbow things that are in white, and then you pixelate it, and then you literally
How can you be sure unless you have another piece?
push down.
Sit down, Bob.
It goes back on. If you do this, it might not automatically go in. It just has to go. So you gotta go down a little bit. So it's on. It's not really that secure because people can just see that, and it just comes up because it's not secure properly. Because this is just a bracket and it can slide like that. So then people can just see this. It'll just come off. But if you want, you can like get something that can put it and put it on the thing. Right, so it stays on. What we're gonna, so when we put the Christmas decorations up, which will be in a video,
You look like you enjoy
we will move the plug, we will plug it in, and then when we come downstairs in the morning, we'll keep this on, we'll turn the Christmas tree on, and the lights are at the fireplace. So yeah,
She made this cake just
so I'm gonna go over it in more detail.
her
So,
sweat and
if I just take this off.
cake, and you will not leave this platform until you have consumed the entire confection. Entire confection. See it, Flash. Thank you for this.
So what you gotta do, so me and my dad yesterday, because we got this yesterday from my lovely elf, because my elf's so kind and he loves me. He loves me. So what we do? So, what was I gonna say? So we put like, it's strong. I can't get it off. But if you like put like little sticker things on that we did, we put it on the back and then put the bracket onto here, and then we basically just did. What's going on? Why? Oh, no, wrong way. Yeah. Oh, I turned it off. There we go. So, it's a stupid. It's just a stupid thing that's on. Stupid thing that's on. So, what? Don't listen to that. Just listen to me, okay? So, why not just do that? Oh, shut up. Right. Sorry for my distraction. So this is quite useful for when you just for
The entire assembly will stay 5 hours after school and copy from the dictionary.
when you do
Any children who object
when you keep if you're tired of doing everything all over and over again when you go downstairs. I'm tired of. You can just get this, and then when you go, so then when you go to bed, you can just press down for off, and just go to bed. And you come back, press up for on, it turns on. It's the best day ever. It's so cool, and I love it. So, this is quite useful, so you can go ahead and buy one, which I didn't because my elf got it. So, I just go. So, yeah, if you want to have a look of the remote control in detail, I'll just get it off. Pause the video to see the front, then pause the video to see the back. Right. So you've seen it in a little bit more detail. If you haven't paused it, then rewind and pause it so you can see it in detail. I'll do it one more time for those who forgot. Pause to see the front. pause to see the back. That better? If you still haven't watched, I'm not going to do it again. Just rewind. Rewind. Bro.
What? Sell me a lemon? You're heading for the turkey, young lady. Teach you a lesson? What lesson? Your father thinks you can make a fool out of me. My father? The guy with that stupid hair.
So, it is good. It's amazing.
Rocks far from the tree.
But there is one more thing. 2 more things left. What? So, let me unplug my lovely iPad. So it is literally on right now, so I'm going to press start, delete. Turn the light off. It's turned the light off over there. It's turned the light off. When I press up, and I'm going to press up, it's turned it on. Yay! It's on. I'm going to keep it on. There is one more thing left. Let me take it off the bracket. Say hi to Buddy and Dasher. My dad is painting, so I've got to be so quick. So this is what it's plugged into. See that red light? Well, if you can see. You see that red light? That's what it's plugged into. So when I press down, it turns it off, and then the red light turns off. Yeah, so it's basically amazing. So, right guys, so that is the end of this video today. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, which will be putting the Christmas decorations up, or it might be a few days, or it might be now, I don't know. Bye.